Hi, I'm Casey Krebs, the owner of Urban Hippie. All the granola I make is non-GMO project verified, handcrafted, and has no added artificial colors or flavors. Please check out my website at the link below.
Okay, hello everyone! I'm going to make these coconut lime energy balls. So these are really great if you want to have a healthy snack and you still want something sweet, but you don't necessarily want to have a lot of sugar. There's no sugar in this, it's all natural sweeteners and lots of really good nutrients in here as well. There's flax seeds, there's chia seeds. We'll go through all of these ingredients as well. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to mix together our wet ingredients. So we have coconut oil, almond butter, and maple syrup. So I melted the coconut oil. It's 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. And we are going to use some nice local maple syrup here. Oak Ridge Moraine maple syrup. We'll take a 1/4 cup of this. Pour that right in. So this is a natural almond butter. There's nothing added to it, it's just ground up almonds. It's good, huh? So I have all of my wet ingredients in here, and I'm just going to mix them together with a whisk. Okay, so it's mixed together. The consistency is really cool. Let's put that aside for now. Now we're in the food processor. We're going to add the Urban Hippie granola, the chia seeds, flax, lime, and coconut. So we'll just pour this in. This is the granola here. Dump that in. And then the coconut, but we'll reserve a little bit so that we can roll it in afterwards. So we'll add that in. Thank you. You're welcome. And this is flaxseed, very nutritious and good for you.
Ground flax.
Ground flaxseed. So you can buy flaxseed whole, or you can buy it ground, or you can grind it yourself. And chia seeds, which is a really good superfood as well. These are whole chia seeds, and when you add liquid to them, it really expands it. You can use it in puddings. Lots of really neat products. I will zest a little bit of lime in here. Cool. I'm going to save a little bit of zest for later on to put on top of the balls as well. And now we will just pulse it just a couple of minutes until it's mixed in together. You don't want it too fine because it's nice to have those like hearty pieces in there, so it's nice and rustic. Okay, that looks good. This is the dry ingredients here. Mix it in.
Oh,
So
can I wrap that for you? Here. Even just a little bit of
there's some really nice pieces to see. They're
Yes.
all done raw, so they're really easy to make. You can put some coconut oil on your hand so it's not sticky. Take a little ball, roll it up, and then just roll it in the coconut. And then the final touch is just add a little bit more zest on top. So we'll just zest right on top to give that nice color,
Yes.
nice flavor, some acid on top. And then if you have some extra currants, you can just kind of place them right on top in here. This is our final product right here. So after you make these, if you don't eat them all, they're really great to store in the fridge for a few days, and you can just grab them as you need them, or they freeze excellent. So you can always keep them in the freezer. They're good for kids' lunches, they're good for your lunch, and it's just an easy snack to get that little sweetness into your day when you need it, and you don't have to whip up a whole batch of anything. It's just right there waiting for you. So If you store in your freezer, just take them out about 5-10 minutes early and then go for it. So I hope you enjoy.